Another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. We're actually on our way to go check out the new project. I got a call from the shipping company telling me that they're right in front of the house, so we're on our way right now to go check it out. Stay tuned. We got a lot of things coming up. Hey guys, so we're here in front of the house. There goes the MR2. We're gonna go grab it and we're gonna check it out. What's up, hermano? So hey, we're here at the garage. So this is what was dropped off. This is a 1992 Toyota MR2. This is going to be project number 2. This one, the ultimate goal is to get it sitting right, probably put a 4th gen or 5th gen 3S GTE in it, and then probably sell it. So there's a lot of good things that came with this car. It's pretty clean, what I like. There's roll-up windows. Yes, this is super old school roll-up windows. You know, when you try to talk to your friend across the side and you had to reach over and do this. Yeah, this is how old school this is. But as you can see, it's super good. Like, the interior is really nice, super clean. No cuts in the seat either. Center console looks pretty good. So far, not too bad. Like, I can't really complain. There's absolutely no rust that I can see on this car. You can look at the front. The front looks pretty good. There is, I mean, brand new battery, it looks like. Couple different things. It looks pretty cool. I don't know what's up with this Hoosier bumper sticker thing, but looks so good. I mean, the rims don't look that bad. I don't even know what kind of rims they are, but they don't look too bad. They almost look like the Rev, I don't know what, I think this is probably Rev 4, Rev 5 type wheels. Let's see what they got under here. So it's a 5S. I believe the guy said that there was a rod knock in it, so nothing too crazy, but this looks like a TCS. Yep, TCS bar. I actually wanted one of these, so I might end up probably keeping that just to have it. But not too bad. We got a hole here in the rear bumper, nothing too crazy. We have a MagnaFlow exhaust. Doesn't seem too bad looking. Probably needs a polish and some fixings, but looks pretty good. Let's see what they have inside the trunk. Let's see. It's supposed to come with a couple of different things. Let's see. So we have a E153 non-LSD transmission. We have, let's see what this is. It's probably it. Looks like innovative mounds. Brand new innovative mounts, which are great. What else do we got in here? We have some sunscreen. Everybody always needs sunscreen.
Yeah, you really.
Hey.
Especially you.
Yeah, thanks. Right here we have a whole bunch of 2GR parts. I mean, everything that was made. Look at, we have exhaust manifolds, gaskets. We have some more gaskets here. We got headers. We have the pedal adapter, motor mounts. What do we got here? This is almost looking like I should do a 2GR build. We have a whole bunch of stuff here. more headers. It looks like we got more stuff inside the car too. So let's check out what all do we have inside there. Yeah. Forgot, it's not powered. Oh, look, too, and it has the original Toyota key. The original fat, you know, I don't want to say the rest of it. But, let's see what's in here. I'm going to have to open up the inside, I guess. I'm going to have to see what's wrong with that. See what we have. We got some floor mats. Oh, we have the full wheel rum like geometry set here. So this is gonna go for sale too. I already have one. I really don't need it, but this will be going for sale. I think these run for like 500 bucks or something like that. That's probably what I'll sell it for since it's all brand new. What else do we got here? So these look like the hubs to the back. Oh, it came out pretty good. We got some tie rods too in there. Not too bad. Oh look, and we got a bunch of change. Look at that. A whole bunch of change. And change here and here and here. But, yeah. So, man, let's throw that out. Not too bad. So this is gonna be a nice little project that eventually gets put up for sale. So let's stay tuned for the next day. This is Nasty Addiction Garage, part 2 of what we were talking about yesterday. So I got the tow truck to actually tow the car to my new place. So it's gonna be real cool. It's gonna be fun. I have it going right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in front of me. So I'm having it taken to my garage now, and time to look through it, clean it up, and go to town on it. So let's check it out. Nasty Addiction Garage. We finally made it to the garage here. This is the new place. This is the new project. We're gonna start digging in it and let's see how it goes. I don't know what I'm gonna find in here. I really don't know. Quite frankly, I see a whole bunch of change and sticky stuff, so that's already driving me crazy. But let's dig in and let's see how it goes. Actually, so the car came yesterday. I bought this car dirt cheap. I see really no real rust anywhere on this car. You have like this from kind of sitting around, but this is actually all dirt. But it looks good. Obviously some flat tires. Don't know what kind of rims these are, but they almost look like the Rev 5 wheels, so I don't know. They look good, not too bad. Got a big chunk of bumper out here, right? It looks like a dinosaur bit it or something. Got the car from Kentucky. This was a Kentucky car. This is the exhaust that's there. It says MagnaFlow. It's kind of how it looks underneath. It almost looks like a KO Racing one, but I'm not sure how they look. This is kind of how it looks. Now let's see this side. See, this is a ton of dirt. It looks like this car was sitting outside for quite some time. But I mean, in a southern state, that's why it's kind of got that like super pink look. It's sun faded to the max. But really no rust. Let's get all this crap out. All the original floor mats. Look at that. Garbage. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Like this, it gives me anxiety. Like there's like a ton of change in there. Like it's oh my god, it's giving me anxiety right now. It's like mold, I think, up there. It's gonna be an interesting dirty. Like there's like quarters everywhere. Like I think I'm gonna come out even more money. Look at all these quarters down there. This is ridiculous. It's gonna take some good cleaning. So lucky I have an extra carpet, because this has to go. This is ridiculous. Look at this. There's mold there, there's dirt there. We're gonna get the stuff off. I'm gonna rip this carpet out, start cleaning it. This thing is ridiculous. Carpet out of this bad boy. Still a ton of change in this thing. Looks like we got some dirty stuff over here. We're gonna vacuum this, clean this all up. This is ridiculous. Look at this. Solid floor. Clean all this stuff up and start vacuuming. There was mice in here at one point. I'm gonna try to get all this change out of here. Might work, might not. But yeah, this is how it's looking. Not too bad. You know, a couple bolts are rusted. You know, everything else is kind of easy to take off. This is all just, I think, from the coins sitting there. Yeah, everything looks so far so good. All solid. This is all pretty good so far. I'm gonna get in there with the brush and get in the nitty gritty spots and stuff like that. But this is kind of a little sneak peek. So this is interesting. I found some old paperwork. Looks like this guy's had this thing for quite some time. It looked like 2012 is when he had like an alignment done. This is kind of cool seeing all this paperwork. It's kind of tells a story about the car, you know. It's not too bad. But let's collect some of this fume on the passenger side. It looks pretty good. Like there's really no super bad spots. Looks nice. I'm gonna try to dig up that other passenger side one so we can get the passenger side one going, and start the interior cleaning, because this thing is a mess. I've taken out anyways and put a 3S GTE, so it's gonna be a lot better. But let's see how this goes. This is gonna be like a Hail Mary, but let's see how it goes. Got a charged battery in there, brand new battery. Gonna see if we even have power. I doubt we do, but it's worth a shot. Let me see. We have absolutely no power. So now to figure out what the issue is with the power, I've seen a lot of mouse droppings in there, so I'm hoping that it's not bitten wires and stuff like that, but it very well could be. If it is, this is probably not the best car to do a restoration on, just because of the bitten wires. I don't want to get that in detailed with this one, with this build, but we're gonna see what things are going on so we can test it out. So it looks like my other carpet that I was talking about earlier for the driver's side sucks. Absolutely sucks. So now what we're gonna have to do is try to clean this one the best that we can. This is a pretty nasty, real nasty carpet. I'm gonna see if I could source another one for the driver's side, but this thing is just horrible. You guys can just see it. It's not at all healthy. This portion looks pretty good. This portion looks salvageable. This back here, I'm not quite sure if I could. I mean, I'm gonna try it, but I don't think it's gonna work. actually looks. Looks a little bit better than what it did. This is going to be next. They're removing this hook that they had on there for a racing harness, which was real stupid, but that's going to be next. Cleaning up the dash, doing all that fun stuff, and try to see what I can do about getting it turned over. So right now, this is kind of where we're at. I'm going to start putting everything away and start on it. Today's episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. We did a lot of things today with this car. We tore it apart. We tore all the carpets and rugs inside apart, cleaned them up as best as we can, made sure that there was no rust on the floorboards, which there have not been any that I've seen so far. We still got a whole bunch of things to do. Tomorrow is going to be the day that we do some power washing and cleaning up. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and you know how we do at Nasty Addiction. We build with purpose.